Welcome to CAD Concepts. This is the most requested LISP routine. How to automate text fully automatic in AutoCAD. We will explore deeply in this tutorial. This plan we have. So far we are providing text like this, right? We had to take text and then we had to write one by one. Each and every text you had to provide one by one and complete total input. Usually we do like this, but today we will automate this lengthy process. Okay, we will automate this process using additional tool that called LISP in AutoCAD. Okay, first thing first, upload this one. Type AP, select this script, upload and close. Okay, we will place here our auto text. Okay, ATXT, click here and type B only for bedroom and type K only for kitchen and type D only for dining. Type double B because we have already B for bedroom. Type L for living and type H for hall. This is the fully automated process to place your entire text just by single letter only. How about scaling text? If you have different unit for your text height and you want to scale this particular text height, we will see very smoothly. Open this script, come down and place here your text height as much as you want. You want bigger or smaller, you can choose here. Let this 42 unit we are keeping everywhere. Okay, same as it is. Load this script again, maximize the screen. We will see our increase text height how we are getting. Let this here bedroom. Now you see here, before we are getting smaller, now we are getting perfect size. Means you can customize your text height in case if you are using this script and you are getting smaller or bigger text, you can edit from the script. As you see here, we are getting perfect size. This way you can customize your text height. Okay, how about adding on text? Means I have already added this much text, and if we want to add different text and with different short keys. Okay, let this here and select this much and paste it here. Take a new line and this is your short key. Okay, let this A for AutoCAD. Means I will type A only, full AutoCAD will come over the screen. Same as it is, take new line and place here. So as much as additional text and along with short key you want, you can keep here simply. E for elevator, I am just putting just for the reference only. And let this here again, D for design or anything you can keep as per your own text and short key as much as you want. Means you have to keep one time. Okay, then after you have to place perfectly along with short key your complete word. Close and save. We have added 3 text, right? Okay, same as it is. Upload this script, take it here, ATXT, and click here A for AutoCAD, and click here D for design, and click here E for elevator. So you can keep as much as text you have, and this way you can automate your entire text process. As much as you want, you can keep here simply, and perfectly you will get your automatic text in AutoCAD. And you can find this textbook that help you understand how to utilize this script. I hope you got this LISP routine helpful. Must explore 150 plus advanced automation tasks. This book will explain with facts and figure along with LISP and VLX routines. This will give you great insights. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment as soon as possible. I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.